What do you mean I can't hold him? He's already been in there a week, and he ate a rat. And I'm telling you, you're gonna stress him out and he's gonna regurgitate that rat. But it stresses me out not being able to hold him. Well, if you're stressed out, you probably shouldn't hold him either, because snakes can sense when something is off. They will sense that you're uncomfortable and you're stressed out, and then therefore they might get defensive and yet again regurgitate that rat. Look guys, I get it. It's exciting to get a new snake or a new animal, and you want to be quick to like bond with it and hold it. But these are the steps that we need to take as snake keepers to make it easier on our snake. They go from a different environment to something they're not sure of. They don't know exactly what's going on, and you want to give them that week, that first week, to get comfortable in the tank. And then of course you got to feed them, and that first time feeding you need to give them an additional week after they eat, just to make sure they digest everything right and everything is happy, healthy. And then that following week they're gonna be ready to eat again. So you'll feed them, but then at that point you only gotta wait 2 days to start holding your snake. And then from there on out, you can hold them as much as you want, as long as they're not in shed or they didn't just eat. I get it, y'all. It's killing me not to hold my snake. And that's what made me decide to do this video, so I can show you firsthand, like, it's really hard. I have to tell myself no. Just let him get used to his environment. Let him digest his first meal, and then you're going to get to spend as much time as you want with him. You're going to get to bond with him and hold him and show him off and start doing all kinds of stuff in his tank and stuff like that. But you definitely need to wait to hold your snake. Now, when you first get him, obviously you got to take him out of whatever he came in and put him in the tank. I did hold him for like 10 minutes, that's it. And then I put him in the tank, and he's been in there ever since. And it is killing me not to be able to hold him. But it's what's best for the snake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Thank you very much for watching.